All right, guys, we're going to take a quick look at the magical butter strainer. And so we've already got it here on a jar. Jar's not included, but you put the jar, put it right on top of the jar, and whatever you just made, you put it in there, and then you use like this plunger thing and it squishes down. So we just made some ginger honey and we are going to strain it into here. All right, so you see, once we put it in there, it's straining on its own right now, and we are going to plunge and see how much we get out. We got about already 2 cups just by itself, and then you just, all right, so you just gotta press it. And you just keep pressing down till you get everything out of there. All right, we did the straining, and here is our end result. So we did about 3 cups of honey, and from that, we got a little bit over 2.5 cups once it's all strained. And then we also keep the pulp so you can see what the pulp looks like here. So you can use that in baking or other recipes, stuff like that. But really good from the magical butter machine. You guys can see the results of what you get, and it's super easy. Then you rinse everything off, put it away until next time you want to make something.